Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to find saved posts on X. So actually it's very simple. First of all, you have to open X, of course, and then you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen to access this side menu. And as you can see in this menu, you have different sections. You want to go to section Bookmarks. So this is the page where you will see different posts that you have ever saved to your Bookmarks page. You can scroll through them, and additionally they organized in chronological way, and that means that the most recently saved will appear at the top of this page. So that's how you can find saved posts on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.